Today, we will understand about the browser event. A browser event is something that happens when you interact with a web page, like clicking a button, moving the mouse, or typing in a form. The browser detects this action and can respond with a programmed action, such as showing a message or updating the page. For example, if you click a submit button, the browser knows and can do something like send your data. Now, let's take them in action. Open script.js and type document.body. To listen for a specific event, we use the add event listener method. Inside the string, we need to add event name like click, submit, mouse over, etc. We will be using a click event, so add click, then add a callback function. Anything you write inside this function runs when the event occurs. So let me add console.log hello world. Check the preview, and now if you click anywhere in the body, we get the console message hello world. Instead of writing document.body each time, I will add them in a variable. So at the top, I will create a variable body and assign them to document.body. Now here, we can simply use body.addEventListener. Instead of logging the message in the console, let's try to update the HTML in the body. So I will add body.innerHTML and assign them to s1 tag with the text hello world. Check the preview, and this time if you click anywhere in the body, it replaces everything with the heading hello world. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will select elements by using ID. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.